Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 My Little Pony mini walker ponies. Let's see what we have. This one's open. You can have Zip, Pip, Izzy, Sunny. Oh, this is nice. Kind of feels like an eraser. See the legs move. So this one is Zip. Okay. I wonder if it actually erases anything. Can we stand it up? There we go. Let's see what we get next. Oh, I like this. It's very vibrant colors. She can sit right there. Stand. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm glad I didn't get all the same ones. I thought they might be all the same. This one. Oh, we got a duplicate. She can join her over here. There we go. All right, 2 more left. I hope I get a different one. Oh, no. 3rd one, same. So you have front, back, wiggle the legs, different poses. See if we can get her to stand. There we go. Okay, last one. Who will it be? Oh, wow. Okay. You have 4 of these. And this one. Here we go. Maybe we'll get some more and see if we can actually collect them all. Better luck next time.